Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing an unboxing, a little haul video. I personally love watching these videos. I love seeing what people got. It kind of feels like Christmas. So I wanted to make a little video myself. So here's some of the packages that we are going to be opening. We have a package from Sephora. This is Glossier, Amazon, Osea, and Ssense. So some of them are things that I've bought, and then we also have a PR package in there. I already opened it. I'll just show you guys now. I already opened this one. It's by Osea, and I have been loving all their products. So I just wanted to show you guys. I kept the box because I wanted to just show you guys how cute the packaging was. I was so excited to receive this package. It was just so beautiful. So this is a cruelty-free skincare line. They have pretty much everything that you could think of when it comes to skincare. So what they did send me was their body butter, which is anti-aging, which I love. And by the way, all their products are cruelty-free, vegan, gluten-free, and all the packaging is recyclable. The next thing they got me was their Glow Overnight Serum. This is something that you don't use every day. You use it 1 to 2 times a week. And then they gave me Ocean Eyes. This addresses all signs of aging, and it helps with dark circles and also fine lines and crow's feet, which is something that I need because I'm getting a little bit older now. And they also sent me their Hyaluronic C Serum. This is something that I use right before I put on my moisturizer. It really helps to just lock it in place. This is super fast absorbing, which is something that you want when it comes to hyaluronic acid, because once you put it on, you want it to dry really quick so you can right away just put moisturizer on your face so you don't have to wait. This, like so many of their other products that they sent me, it really helps with smoothing the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles as well. And they also sent me the Biotic water cream. So this is something that I use right after I use the hyaluronic acid. So it's weightless, it's super hydrating, which is something that I look for in a good moisturizer. And this is something that I can use every day and every night. And the last thing that they got me, which is my favorite, is the body oil. So I've been using this quite a bit since I got it. So my routine before I got this oil, after every shower, I would dry myself off and then just put on a bunch of lotion. Now I dry myself off and then I use this dry brush. This dry brush is also by Osea. There's so many benefits when it comes to a dry brush. You guys can look it up, but it basically helps get rid of dead skin cells. It helps with circulation, razor bumps and ingrown hair, all kinds of stuff. And then I paired that up with their oil, and it is like heaven sent. My skin feels so much smoother, so much more moisturized. My skin feels so much more alive and rejuvenated and just like new every time I do that. I really feel like it's something that everyone should add to their routine. They also gave me a discount code to give to you guys if you guys are interested in getting any of these products. I will link it all down below. I'll put it up here wherever I can. But yeah, go try some of their products. So the next package I want to open is by Glossier. This is something that I really wanted to try. I saw someone on TikTok talk about their fragrance that they are just obsessed with, and they said every time they wear their fragrance they get so many compliments and everything. So I'm like, I can't smell it through TikTok, so I'm like, I have to order it and see what this scent is like. Unfortunately for you guys, I'm really bad at explaining scents. I've actually never ordered anything from them before, so this is going to be interesting. Oh, and they gave me a sticker. How cute. Okay, so here is the fragrance. It's got like a little elastic band right here, and it says Glossier for you. Oh, and by the way, they have a solid version of their perfume, which you just like, it's like a balm that you just rub wherever you want. And then I think they do have a spray, but I got their solid one because I thought it would be good for like travel, since you can't carry too much liquids in your carry-on. So, oh my gosh, like this is the cutest little thing. Can you guys even see it? But like it fits in the palm of my hand, and there's a little like divot there, so I can feel that it's like a magnet, and you just slide it open like that. Okay, so moment of truth. It smells very, very pretty. I would say it's a very pretty scent. Okay, here's me trying to explain this scent. It's very floral, but not like an annoying floral. It's like a very smooth, nice scent. The balm isn't really balming. I think it has to like warm up a little bit. Like, it's nothing that I haven't ever smelled before. It does smell like young. You know how there's some older scents and some younger scents? I feel like this is more of a younger scent. It's more like, hey guys, this is future me. I just finished filming the video that you're watching now, and I'm just cleaning up, and I was just smelling myself. It smells so different than what it originally smelled like right out of the package. It definitely still has that floral scent, but it's a little bit more muskier, which makes it seem like a little bit of an older scent, but it's still young. I actually really like it. I feel like now that it's like settled in and everything, it smells so good, and it is kind of addictive. This might be my new favorite. I personally am very happy with this purchase. It feels very expensive and has a little G in the corner there, which is just so adorable. I'm just so obsessed with this little thing. It's so cute. TikTok, you've done it again. There's so many things that I buy because of TikTok, and so far I've been happy with all the purchases. Okay, so the next thing I'm going to open is my Amazon package. I personally do not remember what I ordered from Amazon, which is why I think this is going to be kind of interesting, and I made it a point to not even check what I ordered. So this is going to be a little surprise. Okay, so I do remember ordering this now. So this is an ice bucket, an ice like box. Here, I'll open it up for you. I thought it was gonna be a little bit bigger, but I'm kind of happy that it wasn't as big as I thought it was gonna be. All the Amazon stuff is going to be on my storefront. Oh my gosh, it's so cute. I don't know about you guys, but when it comes to ice in your freezer, we have ice cube trays and they don't have like a cover on it. So then I thought like, that's kind of gross. I kind of want one with a cover on it so like nothing falls into the freezer and sticks on the ice. I don't know. So I tried to look for an ice cube tray with a cover, and then upon searching for that, I came across this, which is a little see-through box, and this is where you would make all the ice cubes, and every time the tray is frozen, then you just take out all the ice and put it into this box, and you kind of like build it up, and you won't like run out of ice. You know, when you have people over and a bunch of people want ice in their glass, sometimes you don't have enough, and then you have to like keep on refreezing it. But now you just like build it up, and then it's just in your freezer like that. So I thought that was like pretty useful. So there's that. Do I have anything else here? And I also bought a pack of earrings from Amazon. I don't know, I like wearing like cheap little earrings here and there because I like to switch it up when it comes to the style and stuff like that. Okay, so we got this one. This one's really cute. It's like a twisted type of style. I like that. I like the size of it as well. Also, these ones, I actually used to have ones like this and I wore them all the time, but then they broke on me. So, and they give you like extra backings as well, which is nice. And this one has a little bit of like a cut on it. I like how it's like a little bit more thick than the other ones. And then we have these ones a little bit smaller, a little bit of a different class, but I really do like that one. And then we have these ones are like a rectangle type of earring. I've never worn earrings that are like this, but very cute. And then these ones are super cute for a nice little casual moment. A little tiny hoop earring. And they gave me like a bunch more little backings as well. So that's good that they also included that. And then they gave me 2 random hair ties. So, I don't know. I guess that's useful. So those products will be on my Amazon storefront, all linked down below. So the next thing I'm going to open is a package from Sephora. These are all products that I bought myself. I bought these products with some people in mind for like Christmas maybe, some birthdays. So if you know me and there's a possibility that you would like something from Sephora, then don't watch this part. We've got a few things. So the first thing I see This one is definitely for me. Little beauty blender. It's called the Revealer Dual Ended Makeup Blender by Osea. Is that how you say it? I'm not sure. So I'm just gonna open it up, and I really liked this one because look how pointy this thing is. It's so pointy, and I needed one to like really get in this area because that is the area that I always miss. My pink beauty blender, I don't know, it's a little bit too round to get all up in there, at least for me. So I can't wait to try this. Okay, also I got this by Beauty Blender. This is for me as well, and this is for powdering up my face. Oh my gosh, it is like weirdly heavy. So that's what that looks like, and it's got a little bit of a point here also to get up in there as well. So I usually just put powder with a brush, but I feel like if I really want to pack it down, I feel like this is gonna work perfectly. This one is by Beauty Blender. It feels so nice, and it's so soft. I didn't even realize how soft this was gonna feel. That's crazy. But there's a little opening there probably for this. Also you can use it like this. So we got options. I've heard so many good things about this brand. It's that Wow brand. So this one comes with their Dream Coat Supernatural Spray, as well as their Dream Coat Supernatural Spray. What? Like, oh, a full size and a travel size. Why did I think it was two different products by them? My hair has been so crazy lately. Like, I have little like baby hairs. I don't know if you could even see it, just like sticking up at all times. And my hair doesn't look frizzy right now, but lately my hair has been frizzy. I know some other people that might like this as well, so maybe I might give this as a gift. I'm not sure yet. So I don't know, I might save that for someone else, but I know I want it for myself as well, so we'll see. So the next things are definitely gifts, so please leave if you think you might receive a gift in here. So this little guy, if you can see, is by Hermes. I thought this box was going to be a lot bigger than what it looks like right now, but that's okay. It's actually very cute. It has mini Hermes perfumes inside, so I thought that was a really cute little gift for someone in my life. Someone will be getting this little package. So this is a pack of the Sol de Janeiro mists. I have this one, like the dark pink one, which is like my go-to scent, but I also love the light pink one. I'm always torn between the light or dark pink. I like the dark pink a little bit more. I've never smelled this one. It says caramelized vanilla and macadamia. That sounds like it's gonna smell very good. You can't go wrong with a vanilla scent, I feel. And then their go-to pistachio and salted caramel. That's their like go-to scent, which everybody loves. I also have this little pack. So this is the Sephora favorites. So we have Givenchy, the lipstick, we have Strum, the face cream, we have Kerastase, the BH Magic Night Serum, Guerlain Youth Watery Oil, a full-size Pat McGrath eyeliner, liquid liner, a Gucci mascara, and a Giorgio Armani liquid lip. So this is like a very luxe favorite. I love like packs where you can try a little bit of everything before you commit to like a full size. Oh my gosh, I needed this. Tweezers by Anastasia Beverly Hills. I've had like a pink one for like years and years, and then I dropped it, and then it like dented the tip of it, so then it wasn't able to close properly. Now they have like a black version of the tweezers that I am just obsessed with. This is literally like the best tweezers ever, and I don't think I can like use anything else. Oh, and then I got these, a facial razor set, because I want to try like shaving my face, because I heard that's actually really good for your skin. It gets rid of all the dead skin cells, and then it obviously shaves off the peach fuzz, which helps your makeup apply way more smoother and better. And I've only heard good things about like shaving your face, so I got a razor set from Sephora. Okay, so now we'll move on to the next box, which is Ssense. Ssense, I bought a few things. I needed sweaters. I was looking in the kids section because a lot of my friends have kids, so I was buying presents for them, birthdays, thinking of Christmas, trying to get ahead of the game. So I was looking in the kids section and I'm like, this is so much cheaper than the adult section. So then I'm like, maybe I can buy stuff for myself in the kids section. So I kind of guessed on my size. So I bought like some hoodies, so hopefully they fit. Okay, so I thought I bought more than 2, but I guess not. So this is a black hoodie. Okay, this one looks kind of small, not gonna lie. This is by this brand. I'm gonna butcher it. Mem, but I feel like it would still possibly fit me. I'll try them on after this. So this one is just like a really plain black hoodie. It does have this little patch right here. So I've never bought anything from this brand, but it feels like super good quality. A much more thicker fabric and has like a fuzzy texture inside, which would obviously keep you warm. The next one is by Essentials, and Essentials always has like, I feel like their sizing is a lot bigger. And oh yeah, this is definitely gonna fit me. This is like freaking huge and I like oversized, so there's that. Look how big this is. This is like enormous. It has like that waffle texture and it has a pocket here and a big hood, and then it also has some buttons at the front. So I thought that was like a very comfy thing to wear. So let's just try these on really quick. Don't mind my pants. Obviously these pants are not it. The arms are so short. I think I'm going to have to return this. If this was like a size 14, which I don't think they had, and that would be a lot better, and I think it would actually fit me like perfect. Okay, so this one is definitely a keep. I actually really like this, and it's like so comfortable. So this is, what did I say, 14, 16? This is like perfect, and the hood, like this fits me. I love the bagginess of it. It has a pocket here, and yeah. So yeah, this is a keeper. So anyways guys, thank you guys so much for watching my video. I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing. I feel like it was kind of all over the place, but all the links and everything will be down below for any of the products that I got. Also, there will be a discount code for the Osea brand that is featured in this video. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.